So I'm starting my day 2 of my Prolon 5-day fasting mimicking program. And out of this big box came day 2. Of course, first I had to register for it. Yesterday I did day 1, so I've taken the day 2 box out. You can see there's day 3, 4, and 5 to come. So what's in the day 2 box? The day 2 box says, "You got this." Yes, ma'am. And on the back of it, it reminds me that you're well on your way today and you will start feeling your body getting ready for the transition. And there's something they call a glycerol L drink. Stay hydrated throughout the journey. So a lot of times when people go on a fast, they lose weight, but a lot of that is lean body muscle. So what we have here is a glycerol drink. It's called the L drink, and there's a scale on here, and you pour only the amount in that you need to correspond with your body weight. So it goes all the way up. So you pour just the amount that you need in there, and then you discard the rest. But they have this wonderful bottle. What I do is I put the amount in there in the bottle, and then they provide these tea bags. I use 2 hibiscus tea bags in this bottle, cold water, reverse osmosis water, and then I let it chill in the fridge for a few hours, and I sip on it throughout the day to help me prevent losing my muscle mass. Then they also give me a fasting bar, fast with food it says, intermittent fasting bar. And I have this. You can have it with tea. They give you the tea bags. I'm actually going to have some decaf coffee with mine. I'm making the coffee right now. Then for lunch, I have a soup. This is dehydrated. I just add water, stir it around. This one is for the fasting mimicking program, green pea and chives soup mix. And along with it, there is some vegetable powder with vitamins and minerals. And this is some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil that I put in my bowl when I make the soup. Then for midday, actually you can have olives with this. And then midday I can have some more olives and more tea. And then for dinner, hey, I get soup again. But this time it's lentil curry soup mix. You get the olive oil to put in with it. And tonight I get to have, this is the star of the program here in my opinion, L-Bar proprietary Choco Crisp Bar. Oh, this is, believe me, if a crumb drops on the floor, you want to pick it up. And we do pick it up. So there is this little menu card that goes day by day. And we're on day 2 right now. L drink, fasting bar, and so on. So I'll check back with you for day 3. And we have nutritionists that we can talk to every day live to guide us through and answer questions. So the Prolon program is really, really helpful in every way. Of course, it's got $50 million plus of research and many, many years of research. It really works. So I'll see you back here for day 3.